Hello guys, it's Explanation Information, the best place for online tech news and more. And today, I'm going to be showing you the 2 best places to get free Google Play credits. That's official by Google. Now the first one will be Google Playpoints. You go on your App Store, Google Play Store, click on the hamburger bar up there, top left corner. You scroll down to Playpoints. Alright, so Playpoints is very easy to use and earn, and if you want more information about it, you can check out my other Playpoints video. I made like 5 of them. Alright, so first off, you could earn points by downloading free game offers, which they add every now and then, and they do have expiration dates, so all of these expires on February 23rd. You basically just download the app and it gives you a certain amount of points. Now you can also earn points by purchasing in-game app purchases like coins and different stuff in games. You can earn points by purchasing movies and TVs, and also books. And I'll put a link in the description to a page where it shows you all the ways you can earn and redeem points. Now, once you're done with your, also this is how you can earn points. As you see, for these specific games, you can earn like specific amount of points per $1. So like some games you earn 3 points per $1. Another way that you could increase your points is by a leveling system that they have. You can basically just tap on the icon or just go over here and click level benefits. And there's a bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, which is the best. Each level brings its own benefit. So bronze, you earn 1 play point for every $1. Silver 1.1, gold 1.2, and platinum, which is the highest, 1.4. And you can also upgrade the levels to increase your reward system throughout the level. And platinum, it gives you premium support. You can also earn weekly prizes, which gives you points, and it also brings mini multipliers. And you could upgrade to different levels by earning points. So like if I have 98 points to upgrade to silver, so you're basically spending money to get more play points per money you spend. It's like a pay to win thing basically. But there are some free ways that you can earn points by offers and stuff like that. And as you see, I've earned many points, and I actually purchased something for 50 points. And like I downloaded NBA 2K20 and it gave me 2 points. And right now I have 2 points, and you can redeem them for many things like coupons, donations, and also in-game items. So yeah. Now the next one on the list is probably something you may have heard of many times, and you probably already use it, but I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. And it's called Google Opinion Rewards, and you earn rewards by completing surveys. Now as you see, if you go onto your reward history, I've answered 32 surveys and earned $11.15 throughout my surveys, and I'm earning an average, I say, about 10 to 20 cents per survey, so it's pretty good. And basically you earn money by completing surveys, and the way that you can expand the amount of surveys you get or amount of points is based on your selected answers. So the answer you select in the survey, it guarantees you more points, and you can earn more surveys by interacting with Google, like Google apps, like Google different apps, saying reviews on the Google Play Store and Google Maps and different places you go. It gives more service to you. And also by YouTube videos, it asks you different questions about the things you do and what you interact with Google and their apps. And you could spend your points regularly, like I have $1.74. You could go to the Play Store, you just pick on any game you want to purchase, and it works as if regular. So that'll be all the apps that I'm going to be showing in this video. I do want to tell you about something else. It's just one quick thing called Google Play Pass, which basically you pay $4.99 a month or $5. And you can also get a free trial, and it basically like subscription where you get a whole bunch of Google games that you would normally pay for free, but it's not technically free because you have to pay $4.99 a month. But it's basically like any other thing like PS Now or something like that, where you pay a subscription to get a whole bunch of free games that you would normally pay for. So if you like this video, make sure you